Are you ready to change your life in just 1 minute? Imagine starting your day with a simple routine that can transform your productivity, mindset, and overall well-being. It's time to discover the power of working just 1 minute after waking up. Picture this. You open your eyes, and instead of reaching for your phone or hitting the snooze button, you take a deep breath and spend just 60 seconds on a task that sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. It may sound too good to be true, but the impact can be truly life-changing. By engaging in a brief work activity right after waking up, you kickstart your brain and set a proactive mindset in motion. Whether it's jotting down your goals for the day, doing a quick meditation, or simply organizing your workspace, this intentional act can create a ripple effect of productivity and focus that lasts for hours. But it's not just about productivity. Working 1 minute after waking up can also enhance your overall well-being. It's an opportunity to practice mindfulness, gratitude, or self-reflection, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. This simple practice can help reduce stress, increase resilience, and improve your mental clarity. So, what's the secret to making this 1 minute routine stick? It's all about consistency and intention. By making it a non-negotiable part of your morning, you'll soon find that it becomes a natural and effortless habit, one that sets the stage for a more fulfilling and successful day. So, are you ready to embrace the power of 1 minute? It's time to take control of your mornings and unlock the potential for a more productive, focused, and positive day. Try it for yourself and see how this small but mighty change can make a world of difference.